some crispy skin. Parang sabihin crispy sa Tagalog. Crispy.
Malutong.
So let's try it just with the meat and the skin itself. This is my first time having pig face, guys, so I'm very excited. Guys, it's like eating. Can you hear that crunching? It's like eating a piece of chicharron with juicy, tender beef. Wow, that's very, very good. And now I'm gonna try this with some of this Thomas sauce. I think that's what it is. And it tastes like it at least. So here's the pig face with some milk sauce, as he called it. Sorry.
Aray
This
ko.
is so good. All right, now let's try it with a little bit of the special salad sauce that you recommended. Sorry. The skin is crispy and crackly. The meat is super tender and juicy. It is my first time eating pig face. It is a little off-putting seeing all of the teeth in here.
Naka.
How much fat for the car culture? There's not a place in the world like it. It's the most epic place in the world when it comes to what we do with cars. But this is. It just reminds me that I'm eating a pig's face, but it's delicious nonetheless, guys. So I'm very, very happy with this. So let's get a nice big piece and make sure we avoid getting any of this teeth in there. So let's get that on there. Let's get some of this sauce on there. Get that, let that soak in.
Lagyan natin ng pampatang sa ilong.
As always, we need a good.
Tangos agad. Tapos, lagyan natin ng
Let's have a nice big mouthful.
patangusin natin yan.
It is hot, guys, but it is delicious. I think the pig's face was 1,000 pesos. That's like $20. Kind of expensive, but it could definitely.
Ako, kumapal.
This is a meal for 3 to 4 people.
Diyos mio. Kumapal siya, kumapal. Saan ba yan?
And the sitting on was, I think, 500 or 600 pesos, if I remember correctly. So all of this for 1,500 pesos. What's that? $30. So this will feed.
Ang kapal, ang kapal, ang kapal, ang
It's
kapal.
going to feed like 6 people, guys. So it's quite affordable if you have a group here. If you're nag-iisa katulad ko, bahala ka na. And I think we have a dessert coming. If I remember, I'll ask him.
Okay na. Okay na. Okay na.
We got our matcha here, which is pickled.
Tingnan mo. Oh,
You're supposed to eat
masarap ito.
if you're switching between fruit.
Hello.
You just kind of like clean your palate.
Nanood kayo sa Lola. Nood kayo sa Lola.
Pickled stuff.
Sino ba ito? Teka lang. Teka lang.
On the bone here.
Teka lang. Tingnan ko nga, sino to?
This is just a ton of food.
Sirga
Just
Salota.
love that. Fat,
Hi,
absolutely delicious.
Sirga Salota. What's up?
Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this food. I'm starting to get the food sweats from eating.
Mute natin ha. May ingayan kayo sa aking blower.
So
It's,
guys, that's so
I'm gonna
guys, I think we're gonna take this. There are
mute it
that I passed
because it's gonna be so
local restaurants. There's a few people that I saw.
noisy on your ear if you are
So I'm gonna take this to them and
listening to me.
if I can give it. Here we go, guys.
Habito Lapos, sino ka?
Saging with vanilla ice cream and caramel sauce.
Kilala kita?
Exactly like a banana split, guys.
Aray ko, aray ko, aray ko. Buhol-buhol yung buhok ko.
Let's get some more of that sauce on here. Guys, this is very, very good.
Teka nga. Labo ng mata ng lola.
Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely delicious. And guys, I have a sweet tooth, so I could eat this whole thing.
35? Hindi ah. Just you. Hindi ako 35. Lola na ako. I'm senior.
Absolutely fantastic. And then we're gonna
Kita mo nagsasalamin na bago kita mabasa.
would
Mm.
like to
Pwede.
for the banana split.
Pwede naman. Pwede naman makikilala lang pala eh. Pakilala ka na.
2155. 2,155 pesos. So guys, we're gonna pay this. We're gonna leave a big tip for them. And if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe. Give it a try. Right? Ano ba yung sabihin sa mga follower ko? Yung last word. Please follow.
Salamat naman. Matanda na po tayo. Senior na, senior.
Zombie nyo si Ryan para pwede siyang mag-artista na. Para
Okay na yan.
hanggang
Bangs lang naman yung ano. Yaman na siyang kulot-kulot. Lalagyan ko na lang ng ano. Langis. Ba? Bangs. Ang hirap ng may kulot. Nasa Pinas ka, Habito? Or ano ka, nasa ibang bansa din? Ayaan mo na nga siya dyan. Lalagyan ko na lang ng ano. Lagyan ko na lang siya ng oil para hindi siya masyadong buwag.
MMK's, your new BFF Filipino food restaurant.
Ah, sa Pinas. Saan sa Pinas?
About an hour's drive south of where I live, and this was the only other Filipino restaurant you could find in Utah that is open today. There's one other Filipino restaurant around the area, but they were closed today.
Teka. Para hindi matanggal yung bangs, lagyan natin ng konting spray net. Aray ko, buhol-buhol pa pala sa likod.
Looking to rate some food. And then maybe we'll try to speak English with a little bit of Tagalog, as they say here. So it's hot today, guys. It's 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like 40 degrees Celsius, but it feels
Okay na. Tama na yan. Then, lagyan natin langis yung para hindi buhag-hag.
This is where Brigham Young University is. This is the heart of the missionary training program for the Mormon Church. So when I was a young missionary, geez, I can just, the heat coming off of this pavement, guys, is insane. So when I was a young Mormon missionary, right at the very beginning of my adulthood, this is where I lived for 3 months for my crash course in Tagalog and being a missionary. So that was all in this area. So let's go in. MKK, I don't know what that means.
Hello,
And
Noah.
let's see how it is, guys. I'm excited. So I'm going to keep the camera.
Oh, good afternoon na. Sama ka sa akin, Noah.
Hi. Just a quick question. I do food.
Pupunta ako sa Hanno.
And I was wondering if I could order some
At
food and just, oh, you have, is this Filipino stuff too?
may kikitain lang doon.
Vlog and film, and I can be the only one on camera if nobody else
Okay na yan, ganyan.
wants to.
No?
It's okay?
Di ko naman natin. Okay na yung kulot-kulot na ganyan. Hirap ng kulot ang buhok eh. Nakakapagod ayusin.
Oh, okay. Is it better with rice? Yeah. So maybe we'll just. I pay for the food to waste. Would I be able to pay for the 4? But could I do just like a small sampling of a couple of different meals just to get a taste of it? Is that okay? What? Ano ba? Magaling ba kayo mag-Tagalog?
Tagalog Kurt. I like him.
Ano ba yung pinakamaganda niyo dito?
Okay na. Okay.
Magaling din mag-Tagalog. English ka lang. Okay, we're gonna speak English over here.
Okay na siya?
The chicken adobo. Could I try the pork adobo? And then I saw some beef steak.
Okay siya.
Could I try the beef steak as well? Siguro, pwedeng kalahating order. The half order of what you usually serve. Is that good? That way, I don't waste the food. I get a good taste. Okay.
So you just want the taste, right?
Like a regular meal, but
But
I got over.
with what? The regular meal, but what? Teka lang.
Parang mukhang sarap lahat, no?
Hello.
Let's try. Can I do the chicken adobo? Yes, sir.
Sino naman magkakakras sa lola? Sobra ka naman, Mami Bear. Good afternoon. Noah, good afternoon too.
The what?
Magandang linggo sa inyong lahat.
Okay, yeah. Have I tried Filipino food before? Opo. Marami naman.
Puro ito na lang sinusuot ko. Ang nakakatamad magbukas ng ano.
Tsaga-tsaga lang. Konti-konti lang.
Ayos na yan, no?
I did my more
Tama na yan.
out in the Philippines. Like 20 years. Baguio. Ilocano. Oo.
Meron daw. Salamat naman, Habito Lapus.
You're the owners.
Siya yung may 4 doors from here.
Meron pa? Nasaan ba yung sari-sari store? Dito.
Okay na yan?
Talaga? Anong tawag?
Ganda na ba, Mami Bear? Okay na.
Pumunta ko dyan pagkatapos. Bukas siya. Open. Oh, okay. I try. So all of my content is Filipino food. So when I was
Teka,
I was eating at different calendarias.
yung ating ano, baka mamaya meron na naman.
Pag nandito ako,
Teka ha, naiiya ako tuloy. Meron daw may crush sa akin. Naiiya tuloy ako. Naiiya, Lola. Loko-loko talaga to si Mami Bear.
we got the beef steak, wow, and the sisig. I haven't had sisig since I got that.
Oh, thank you.
And then we've got beef steak, pork sinigang, wow. Tapos po din
Subscribe mo ko, Habito.
po, diba?
Please.
At tapos isang
Thank you.
takal ng gamit. Tama ba yun? Takal? Takal. Takal. Guys, this looks napakasarap.
Ang ganda.
I tried cooking pancit the other day. It didn't come out very well.
Saan ka sa Pinas?
Wow. And then siguro isang bote ng tubig, mineral water. At tapos yun lang po sa akin. Everything looks so delicious. Wow. So exciting.
Mm.
Which one? Okay, idagdag natin. Ayun. Magkano po ba ito sa akin natin? Tapos magbayad ako ng buo para isasuportahan ko kayo.
Alis na ako. Manila. Okay.
Yan ay galing sa mga
Pag naluwas, matanda na talaga eh, luwas eh, no? Pag naluwas,
mga tips sa mga
nakikipagkita naman ako sa mga kaibigan ko sa sa online.
followers ko yun. Ay, dito yung kutsara, tsaka pinador. Excuse po.
Okay na yan, no? Ang ganyang kulot na buhok, hindi ko na unatin, Mami Bear.
Tapos pwede akong makaupo kahit saan. Okay.
And if you want to sing, you can sing.
See, may carry okay ba?
Ang hirap ng kulot kasi.
GG guys. Okay guys, we got a whole plate here. Wow guys. Look at this.
Huh?
Let's get a good shot of all of the different foods. So we got pancit bihon, tama?
Ano raw? Parang ang bilis naman yata na.
We got
Ano yung sinasabi mga Bito? Ano? Pababayaan? Ano? Hayaan mo, tanggap naman kita. Hindi kita pababayaan. What? Ano raw? Teka muna. Ang bilis mo, para kang kidlat ah. Tawa ko. Tumigil ka nga. Diyos mio, hindi naman pa kita kilala. Teka, bye-bye na muna. Bye-bye. Sige na. Mami, pero bye-bye na muna. Alis na ako. Alis na ako, Habito. Baka maging habit kita. Bye-bye.